let's try to another color, and we take a different way to draw. So for this one I choose cobalt turquoise. For the second layer is cerulean blue light, and for the third layer sky blue. Let's suppose you have to color in shapes, so we're shading like this. Also we're working very soft. As you can see, I'm always changing the position of the paper so I can fill with the color as much as I can. Again, repeat the procedure, but not like the first one. You remember, don't use the same color, so I need a clean one. And we're blending the second layer. So now we go into the third color, and I will coloring just the middle, and this is about the sky blue. And we're coloring only inside of it. I'm doing exactly like I did in my portrait, so as you can see I will show you better view on this area. I changed 3 types of the color to realize this beautiful color here. So here is sky blue, in the middle is cerulean blue, and for the light, very light, cobalt turquoise. Actually here as well I change 2 types of the colors, and inside of eyes 3 types of color. You can't do realistic drawing if you don't change the colors in more colors, only one to make more realistic. Same problem with the graphite. If you draw more realistic, change the grade of the pencils and you realize more realistic portraits. Important is to know how to blend with the color pencils, and remember, check always for the reference photo to go in close as you can with the real picture. Okay, we're taking again here cotton bud. I will take a brand new one, very clean. And now we try to combine all colors slowly. We're blending from the dark blue to lighter. As you can see, I build very nice gradient color. And now I'm starting from inside to outside. This cotton bud helped me a lot in my art, so I recommend to use. Give very smooth, nice and soft shading. And now I'm going from inside to outside again. If you want to learn with the color pencil, just take a paper, try to do more type of combined. Try first time with only one color. If it's work, you can combine more colors. Maybe you will have to draw portraits with more colors. So good to know, try to use this cotton bud. We have different colors. Also, you can try different type of blending with colored pencils. So for the last step, I have here on the top color gradient. What this mean? From white to dark. Okay, let's try with every pencil we have. I will teach you now how to do gradient through the colors. So let's start with the lighter. Obviously is white. We'll add this white here. So start slowly with yellow. I try to build a palette of color, but this will combine the colors. Thank you guys for watching me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also you can find on Graphite Pencil by Raul. If you're looking for my references photo, you have them on Pinterest like Raul Art as well, and my color pencil link in description so you can use them. Okay, we have 3 types of color here, so I take the first one again and I draw with the first one over the second color to combine with the middle. And we take the second one, also we combine them. If you finish with one color, take a cotton and we blend all sides. We're looking to mix the colors. Now we're going to different color. Let's try with red. Cotton bud again. And now we're looking to mix the colors. Put pink into the dark pink and dark pink into the red. We blend over just a little bit. Okay, and for the final step, we're mixing again with cotton bud. We're looking for a red one. Don't confuse with the yellow. Keep the yellow, maybe you need later. And now we're changing the color. Let's try with green. And now we're looking to mix the colors. Let's mix the blue again. And we help blending all area with blue. And for the final color we're choosing different one. And I choose purple, like our palette to be very beautiful. So let's start with the first one. Keep practicing, guys, and make sure you know how to mix the color, and after that you can start to draw a realistic portrait. Recommendation: keep your pencil sharp, try to use a cotton bud to realize a smooth shade, and don't press with the pencil on the paper. If you know these steps, you can start to build a new portrait. Also, try to achieve very good supplier. You will have my colored pencil supplier in description. I'm working on Strathmore Bristol paper, so I recommend this paper as well. So now you know a few things about colored pencils. You ask for colored pencils tutorials, how I'm using them, and how I colored my portraits. Hope this tutorial can help. Hope you can learn by my video. And if you want to find out more about me, I'm on Graphite Pencil by Raul Art on Facebook and Raul Art on YouTube. And if you try to draw my pieces, you can find them on Pinterest. Just search for Raul Art and you can find everything I draw. And Raul_08 on Instagram. We mix the other colors. If you want to mix the color, always start with the lighter, after that go to darker. If it's the colored pencil or graphite pencil, it's the same thing. Keep practicing, guys. Use this technique, and when you're happy, you can start to draw realistic portraits. Now, guys, we take a new clear cotton to blend this as well. Now you know how to blend with color pencils. So for the last step, guys, let's get through to the all colors. So we check from the colors who are in the middle. So we need pink with yellow. We're going with pink over the yellow. Very light, smooth shading. Now we're taking the yellow cotton bud and we mix with pink. We bring a green one over the red. Going slowly, combine these two colors. Do everything you want, just try to combine them, and don't forget to use cotton bud for better shade, for better blending. Okay, guys, so this is my tutorial for you. You will have the link in the description for my supplier. So now you know how to blend, you know, and you find out a little bit about my secrets. So thank you very much for watching me. See you next time with the next video. Don't forget, keep your pencil sharp. Don't press with the pencil on the paper. Very important, use this cotton bud for better effect. Thank you very much and see you next time with the next tutorial. Bye bye.